So over here inside of Adobe Bridge, you can go ahead and then let's say, for example, choose a workspace that you like. But you may also have your own working preferences and maybe you want your own workspace. So if I were to click and drag these elements right here, I can actually go ahead and then make my own workspace as well. So I can go ahead and click and drag this out right here. And in Windows, let's say, for example, I can enable and disable different sections right here, just like this, and place them out wherever I want. Let's say, for example, like this. So let's say I want to go ahead and save a particular workspace that I have right here. In that case, you can simply go around onto Windows, then onto Workspace, and here you can see that save a new workspace is an option. So if I were to go around over here, and let me just go ahead and save this out as YouTube workspace right here, WS, and press OK. So once you go ahead and do that, that workspace has been saved. So if I were to go around onto workspace, you can see that YouTube WS is the workspace that you have. If I were to go around onto essentials, let's say, for example, then I simply go ahead now right here. So that's the default workspace. Go around onto libraries, that's a different workspace. Go to YouTube WS right here, just like this, and it reverts back onto the other workspace, as you can see right there. And that is how you can create a custom workspace inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.